Hi friends, I know I've been gone for a really long time, but I'm going to have another video and I'm going to explain where I've been and what's going on with my life. But today I went to Lowe's, so I want to show you all the great things I found in Lowe's for Christmas. This is really beautiful. If you have the space to put in front of your house, that big white arch, I love it. In that big letter to Santa box. Little pricey, $3.98, but it is really cute. And it does open. I didn't open it, but it does open. Alright, so Allen and Roth, this is like kind of like the brand in Lowe's, which I love. You're going to see all the cute stuff. So these, I'm going to go through everything kind of slowly. I'm sorry if I go too fast because I know a lot of you complain, but I'm going to go slowly just to show you all the decor. These are all outdoor decor right now. Those reindeers were cute. Love this tree. I know they're a little pricey, but they are really cute. So those are nice trees for outdoors. Look how pretty and sparkly this is. Cute things for outdoors. Nativity scene. I love that big bear back there. It's a llama. It's a beautiful angel for the front of your house. It's cute, that dog. Okay, I really love this tree. I don't know, I just love the round balls lights. The ball lights this year. So that tree is really cute. And the reindeer, Santa, those big presents. Okay, I'm gonna go really like quick right now just to show you a little of their trees. Cute candy canes. I would love to put those candy canes in just like, you know, on my pathway to my house. They're really cute. I love those. I might do that one year. Anyway. The wrapping paper, that's all they really have, but these were really, really cute. Alright, I'm going to show you some more outdoor lights, which I was loving the outdoor lights this year. They had a really good selection. And this is like all white if you're like really into the white, which is pretty. Okay, and look how cute this is. Oh my god, I feel like I'm in Disney World. So cute. If you love Mickey and Minnie, which everyone does, this is a place to come and get for the front of your house. It's so pretty. Alright, this is really cute. You could put it in front of your house, you could put it inside. They do light up. I don't know how, yeah. They do light up. They're really pretty. And then they have a garland that goes with it. I like because they're LED. They don't get warm. You know, hot to the touch. Okay. Let me show you some more goodies. Alright, this caught my eye, which I love. $69.99. I would like to get two of them to put it by my door. A little barrel. Really cute. I love them. Look how interesting this is. It's if you want to make like a ball, a big ball, and hang it all over your trees, you know, you can just wrap that around and then just create that, which is a good option, and I would love to do that. Alright, look how pretty this is. I would love to have that all year round in front of my house, that lamppost. Really pretty. Candy canes are cute, and they have the bears. How cute are the bears? Oh, look at the baby one. Alright, and this is from, I think this, yeah, Allen and Roth. It's cute, it lights up. Alright, I love this guy. I wanted to take him home because I really want a snowman this year. So cute. There's a white swan. Okay, look how cute this is. We all love that red truck in the trailer. How cute is that? Oh, wait. Oh, $59.98 for one. Okay. Okay, so this is Allen and Roth. I love everything that Allen and Roth has, actually. Alright. Santa Claus. I love this calendar and it's so cute. You just move the wreath over. I like that. I was thinking of buying that one. Nutcrackers. Santa. I love Santa and I actually love his little basket with the fruit. Cute. His face is cute. Galvanized trees. They're really nice, those trees. And we got some more nutcrackers. This Christmas tree is pretty. It lights up. Those are more nutcrackers. Wooden soldiers. What are they? Yeah. One of them. Alright, some glittery reindeers. This one's cute. Lights up. I think everything lights up from Allen & Roth. Let me light it up again. I was thinking of buying this. I thought it was cute. Alright, I actually bought this because I fell in love with this. I thought it was so pretty. I'm really into like the White Houses this year. So cute. Alright, and then they have the pillows, letters to Santa. And if you want to know the prices are right there, you can see. So I don't have to turn anything around, which is great. Merry pillow. I like they have the red and the pink, those bells. That's really pretty. This whole section has like pink in it. Not that, but you'll see the other wreath. This wreath is really pretty. Welcome. Joy. Little red truck. I like that because it has a presents in the back. Pillow. Look how pretty that red is. I think you need red for Christmas. Very pretty. Snow. That's cute. Told you everything lights up, I think. I like this pillow. I really love this pillow. I wanted to incorporate green this year, like green plaid. This is really pretty. Alright, here's the pink that I was talking about. So this is like, has the red, the gold, and then the pink. Look how beautiful. The bells I showed you before goes with this set. These are velvety. They're really pretty. They're really soft. That's why I'm touching them. And I like how they put the green, the red, and the pink. This is a beautiful wreath. I don't really do pink, but if I was to do pink, I would definitely do this. She's hiding back there. Look how cute she is with the pink. Santa hat and the scarf. So cute. That is a tree skirt. That goes with the pillows. That whole set is really pretty. Merry Christmas. That's a cute pillow too. Let me light this. I love those trees. There she is up there again. Santa, reindeers, a tree skirt. Has a little pink in it too. These are really cute. Pillows. I like this red house. Lights up too. Really pretty. $10.98. That's cute. Merry Christmas with a little tree on top. This is more like, I want to say Scandinavian, right? This is really pretty for the stockings. Tree skirt. Look how beautiful ornaments are in this box. I just love them. Very pretty. Little red car. This is cute. I think this would be cute for like a cocoa bar or a coffee bar. A pretty angel. The buffalo check. She's pretty. This is more like for gingerbread, right? It's really cute. Scandinavian gingerbread. This is a cute gingerbread pillow. And these bells are in red, silver, and I think like a light gold. Reindeer with a tree on its back. It's a little weird. I wouldn't want to buy that. Let me know. Does anyone like that? Alright, the Santa. I think that lantern lights up to this cute Santa though. Alright, let me just show you a little of the lights. I'm telling you, go to your Lowe's. They had some really good things this year. Just show you a little of the lights, and they don't feel warm at all. That's why I touched it. I actually love this. This is like a light show. You can do in front of your house. It's a little pricey though, but it's really pretty. The icicles, the stars. They're white and they change colors too. Look how pretty. That's like if you want to do a whole light show. Alright, I had to show you this little town, this collection, which I want to buy everything. I want to start a town, but it's so pricey, but I would just buy this one. I love this candy factory. So you can see the prices, like, well, like $35 each, but look how pretty. I never created a town. I would love to start that one year. So pretty. I don't have room. I don't know where I would put it. And here's the boxes down here. You can see the price is $35, $35, $45. Alright guys, thank you for coming along. I told you I have a video explaining where I was, what I'm doing. You know, it's exciting news. I have a lot of videos for you guys coming up. I have a lot of Christmas videos, and I have videos explaining, you know, where I was, where I've been. You know, I moved. So I have a lot of goodies for you guys, showing you updates, changing my house, renovating. So stay tuned for those videos. I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. But I have more videos, so do not leave. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video, and I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye! I missed you guys. I really did. Bye.